Tonight we will be focusing on the drone epidemic in New Jersey. As most of you know, drone sightings have increased at a surprising rate all across the country. For our purposes, we will cover the state with the most coverage. The drones serve multiple purposes that are equally disturbing. Their purpose is to get the public accustomed to seeing strange lights in the sky and evaluate the reaction, prepare the public for a much larger event, and they are used for wireless hacking purposes. The origin of the drones is not any of these speculated countries, but from a secretive, unelected organization known only as the Deep State. As I have previously mentioned in other videos, once the catalyst event occurs, it is always followed by death and destruction. These drones are the beginning of a much larger problem that has yet to occur. The problem will then be blamed on whoever the current administration chooses as the culprit. My name is RV Informer, and you have been informed.